Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Masicka has announced the release date for his highly anticipated debut album, 438, while showcasing the 16 tracks that will be featured on the project. The announcement was made at a listening event on Tuesday in the heart of Times Square, New York City at 1 p.m. The event saw industry players, fellow artists, and actors, including actor Michael Rainey Jr. of Power, in attendance. Masicka gave those in attendance insight on the meaning of the title of the album. Now, according to Masicka, while he was on tour a few years ago, the number 438 was always surrounding him, and after researching the number, he found out it was an angelic number, a number full of positive meaning, prosperity, and optimism. Now, the album 438 will feature collaborations with international stars like Sean Paul, Popcorn, Steph London, and Dexter Daps. Masicka's debut album is currently available for pre-order and is slated for release on December 3. Popular dancehall producer Linval Shabba Thompson, or Shabdon, was offered bail when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday. The popular producer has been charged with breaching the Corruption Prevention Act. Reports said that Shabdon allegedly offered a policeman over $1 million to make an illegal firearm disappear. Shabdon is known for dancehall productions such as Vibes Cartel's World Government, Bad Mind, On the One Done Rhythm, and Any Weather. He was offered $450,000 bail with at least 2 sureties and had conditions attached to the bail. He is set to return to court January 20 next year. Now onto the international scene, where American artist Lil Nas X has been named one of GQ's Men of the Year. The Grammy-winning act has been announced as one of 3 covers for this year, alongside the 2021 NBA champ Giannis and Spider-Man actor Tom Holland. Lil Nas X has been stirring controversy since the release of his genre-bending 2019 country rap single, Old Town Road, with Billy Ray Cyrus. The hit song has been certified platinum 14 times, the most for a single in the history of the Recording Industry Association of America. I am Daedran Gordon reporting for E Prime.